In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the first column in Monday.com. This could be an essential skill for anyone looking to tailor their project management system to better fit their workflow. Let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Monday.com by typing the URL directly into the address bar. Once there, you'll see the main homepage with plenty of options. Look towards the upper right corner of the page and you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. If you're already a user, you have a couple of options to sign in. You can choose to sign in with Google if you prefer the convenience of one-click login, or you can manually type in the email address associated with your Monday.com account. For those selecting the Google option, make sure to look for your email in the list when the prompt appears. After successfully signing in, navigate to the specific board you wish to work with. This is where customizing your first column really starts to make a difference in how you manage tasks or projects. Now, if the current terminology, like having item as a column header, doesn't quite suit your needs, let's see how to change it. Perhaps you want to redefine it, say, from item to task to better fit your usage. To initiate this change, look toward the upper right corner of your screen for a button with 3 dotted lines. Clicking this will expand a menu. Scroll through this menu until you find the settings option. Clicking on it will open additional customization choices. Here, look for the change item terminology option and select it. This is where the magic happens. A pop-up window will appear providing various options you can choose from to rename your first column. You aren't limited to what's preset though, you can customize the terminology according to your specific needs. To do this, click on the text box where the current column name appears and type in your preferred term. For example, if you're deciding to change item to task, simply backspace to remove the default term and type task into the box. After typing in your new term, look for the change button within the pop-up window and give it a click. And just like that, you've successfully customized the first column in your Monday.com to better suit your workflow. It's these little changes that can significantly streamline your project management and enhance how you interact with your boards every day. By following these steps, you now have a customized board that reflects exactly how you or your team perceive and handle projects. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to share it with anyone else who might benefit from making these adjustments in their Monday.com workspace.